Hello and welcome. I'm Shaken.
And I'm Stirred.
And this is Shaken and Stirred Gaming. Yes, indeed. And we are about to start the campaign, as you can see, Hard Rain. And I'm going to sort of model the little concoction we have come up for this and tell you a little about it. And then Lori will tell you a little bit about why we're doing it. So this is what we like to call Witch's Tears. And we have chosen to do it, this little concoction of ours, for this particular campaign. Oops, I'm crying all over the place a little bit. And basically, it's kind of a glorified pina colada, but it's really good. It's got white rum, Malibu rum, Coco Lopez, creme de coconut, and banana, some pineapple. We blend it all together with ice. If you want to see the full recipe, it'll be posted on our Facebook page.
Which is Shaken and Stirred Gaming.
Yes, it is. And you are watching this on our YouTube channel, which is also
Shaken and Stirred Gaming.
Yes. So, anyway, this is delightful. Lori will tell you a little bit about why we chose to come up with something for the witch for this particular campaign.
Oh, there's flares in the gun bag.
What gun bag?
Won't we?
Yes, we will.
Tell me we didn't forget the gun.
Oh, that's nice. We can listen.
The gas station's right across the street. Let's just get the gas, and then we'll figure out how to signal Virgil.
Hey.
So apparently Virgil's out there in the boat. We got to get some gas.
The reason we decided to do Witch's Tears, in case you haven't figured out, is because we're basing it off the witch, which is a really nasty special infected character in there. But the reason we chose this particular one is because there is a certain area in this campaign where it is just filled, over-brimming with
Yes,
witches.
over-brimming. Brims everywhere. Just over-brimming.
Infestation, that's the word I was looking for.
Yes. It is like, and
Infestation.
they're crying, and they're just all over you.
So miserable.
It is. It's like,
And it's going to be raining, so they're wet.
and none of them have taken their meds. None of them, and they are just cranky. And
None of them have had a cocktail, nothing.
So anyway, it gets intense there, so that's why we want to do it. But anyway, so we're gonna stop talking now and just go through this.
Do it! Just do it!
Hope you don't mind. I'm gonna take this first aid kit here.
Oh, I'm Ellen.
And this is where we are actually gonna go gather up gas tanks at the end of Buttfuck Egypt. And
Come at me, bro! Bring it! Bring it! Where you going? Bring it this way.
and of course we're playing special infected shots with this lovely little concoction, which if you've never seen any of these videos, when we kill a special infected,
We take a shot.
we have to take a shot.
And we have to remember to fill up our shot after we take them.
Yes.
Which I have to remember.
Damn, what did you do?
I think there was a boomer!
Shit. No, he's still out there.
Okay. Not it.
Anyway, so we're going to get the gas tanks. We're going to have to come back here, and this is where we're actually going to make our stand at the end of this glorious campaign. So you want to remember your way back here.
Mm-hmm. Although it'll be fairly
He's on the roof, I bet.
fairly easy.
Yep.
There'll be
Reloading.
lit up
You
areas.
motherfucker.
Guide the way.
Ah.
Ooh, got that boomer plate.
At least I got him. I saw him, but I ran out of... Always remember, you gotta reload! Remember to reload! Can't tell you how important that is.
Ow.
You walked right up me.
I was trying to protect you!
And I couldn't see. Anyway, I'm supposed to take a shot. But I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it right now. What? Oh!
I'm sorry, can you beatbox a little bit more? Uh-oh, we got a spitter.
Boots and cats, boots and cats, boots and cats, boots and cats.
Over there.
Alright. So, here we go.
Out of gas.
Diesel!
Looks like Virgil's in
Hey,
house.
just there.
Spitter bitch!
Oh, that's...
Sit
Oh,
out.
I thought that was me.
Okay, you're gonna have to help out a little bit, kiddo. I'm gonna be surprised.
Well, if you weren't so eager. Normally it's me who's rare and face
Are you are you saying that? That's like calling somebody a whore
For
a
landmarks,
whore
might be dark on our way
because they're
back.
too eager. That is kind of what a whore is, isn't it? All right, so over the little platform here.
Yeah, got him. Thank you, Rochelle.
Look at this.
Dancing. Reloading. Damn, coach.
So over that little thing, and then we're gonna go over this little mobile home here.
Mobile.
Reloading.
Oh.
Sorry.
Damn, that was quite a wreck.
Boomer.
Over there.
Garage sale. I want to go to the garage sale.
I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Probably get some
Hey,
stuff
through
really
that
cheap.
playground.
I would hope so. Dead cheap.
Dead cheap.
Reloading.
You won't believe the end of the world sale.
This is terrifying.
Oh yeah. This is. Yeah, you know what they should really have? Beside the hunter. Master, that'd be. You know what they should really have that would really be creepy that they don't actually have on this? Yes, that's what I was thinking. Like, especially
Like
with
riding on the bike?
Yes, the minute that we came around this corner, there should be a little child, 5-year-old zombie on one of those little things, like pedaling its way towards us. That would be horrifying.
That would be terrifying.
That would be terrifying. All these like little tricycles here.
I found a witch.
Gnawing on like, its little sister.
Reloading.
There's a witch walking
Sorry,
this way,
was that
so
too
walk a
far?
little faster. No, that's pretty accurate.
Okay, that's gonna last for a bit.
Where is she?
Right there.
Ah!
No, I'm
Reloading.
moving on.
Reloading.
And you definitely, sometimes they're fun just to mess with, like, let's just try to mess with this. In this campaign, you're going to find so many of them. You want to, the ones you can avoid. Oh, that's kind of your guts there, buddy. Oh, you are penisless. I am so sorry. That's...
What were you aiming for there, bro?
I think I hit my target, I guess. I don't know. What?
I'm about to get smoked.
Garage sale. No, he killed him.
Okay, good.
Somebody killed him. So we come out, we turn right here,
Having a shot.
going down towards the garage sale.
Garage.
Grabbing a shot.
Oh. Don't wanna know what's in the floor there. Nope.
It's kind of like a hand.
It did look kind of like almost like a heart. Kind of big.
Reloading.
Watch out!
Reloading.
And if you want to, you can go in these hooses. I mean, there's stuff in them sometimes. It just depends on how much time you want to spend to go through. I don't know that there's anything like crazy good in them.
I know some of them have pills, and some of them have adrenaline shots. Some of them may even have health kits.
Check it out.
One or two might have weapons, but
Up here's some pills.
In the bathtub!
In the bathtub. Oh, one thing we haven't explained to you is, there's anything in the fridge, huh?
some of them
There's a reason why this is called Hard Rain, and you will find that out. I think we'll just say that, but it is called Hard Rain for a reason. But anyway, yeah, you can search through there. I wouldn't, you actually usually have plenty of, like, materials to get you through this campaign. You don't really have to, like, search, so.
We cut
Reloading.
through this garage sale.
Reloading.
Free! Oh, shit.
I'm not entirely sure what just happened.
Blew the hell out of that TV. Okay, gonna do that.
Reloading.
I just blew him up and he's like just flying. That was pretty awesome.
So I'm going through the house.
Look.
Into the house. Once this is at the garage sale. Let's get the garage sale and go through the house. Ooh. I have. Looks like there's a pipe bomb in here. Oh crap! Oh. Well, shiznizzle.
Damn it. Quit fussing
And I'm being healed.
Oh, shitzel.
That worked.
It is.
Reloading.
Drink. Alright, so we come out of the house, you make a right. Yep, got him.
Very good.
Reloading.
Shot for two.
If you want tequila, we can go out and get some.
I'm good.
Okay.
Bitch!
Reloading.
Reloading.
So we're walking down this street, and we are about to come up on a safe house down through here.
Reloading.
Hopefully, somewhere.
We are. I just got stuck. Sorry.
Reloading.
Shit.
Good job. It's you.
Reloading.
Mm-mm. What? I said, was it yours?
Could have been.
Was it yours, Alice?
Could have been.
Poor Alice, he couldn't afford to lose much.
Safe room up there.
Who's operating?
Don't get me wrong, but the sharpest knife in the drawer, that one. Alright, are we in? Are we in? Are we?
That, my friends.
Yep, 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 yep. Alright, so that's been part one. We will be back very, very shortly. Very, very shortly before you can blink your. Well, probably not that quickly. So,
Right after this.
If you need to go up and go to the bathroom, go. Because then by the time you get done, we'll be back. Alright. Bye.